share with you the way I...
All you need to steam the Christmas puddings, I've just heard she's steaming them, is a pan deep enough to contain a heat-resistant basin. Look at Fanny Craddock.
Hello, and welcome to my little series on Christmas know-how.
Christmas is coming, we gotta get ready. Gotta watch Fanny.
Come on, Sarah. You know my Sarah now. She's going to help me at this next stage. Bang that down. No, bang that.
Oh,
Sorry,
Fanny.
Bang that
I wonder what it would be like to work with Fanny. Over the next few days, we're going to give you some Christmas know-how. We're going to help you with all your Christmas preparations. It'll be quite amazing and very Christmassy. I feel very happy and absolutely ready to shoot my Christmas special. Sarah, hold this, please. Sarah, hold it. Hold it, Sarah. Well, it's too tight. You're holding it too tight. Line that bowl with that, please. I'll do this one. Give it to me. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah, I'm so sorry I yelled at you. It's not very Christmassy, is it? Just going to line these bowls with tin foil. No, Sarah, not like that. More smoothly. You must do it smoothly. Oh, bugger the box. Sarah, while we're doing this, would you please get me my hundreds and thousands? Just preparing the bowls for Christmas things. No, not those. My real hundreds and thousands right away, please. Give them to me now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Here we go. And perhaps I'll take Tuesday of next week as well. I need something to wash it down with. Keep lining the bowl, Sarah. Line it. Woo-hoo. Christmas time is so tiring, don't you think? Everyone needs a little pick-me-up. Thursday? Doesn't matter, does it? I like to decorate things for Christmas time. Even this old celery root, you know, I like to put decorations like this. And I go, Sarah! What? What are you doing, Sarah? Pick those up. Pick those up, Sarah. Take them and go. Take them and go, Sarah. No, not that one, Sarah. Not that one. Thank you. Sarah is really a darling. She's such a great help. You know, I don't know what I would do without her. It's very dear to me what Sarah does. She drops things and she's very clumsy, but I do love her. I love her like one would love one's child if one hadn't abandoned them. Anyways, pierce it many times. My life, it's slipping through my fingers. Sarah! It's always Christmas. And Fanny, look, what about the Christmas bird? I mentioned we pierced it with many forks, didn't I? Come on. We're going to make a trifle. It's going to be absolutely, completely fabulous. All right, Sarah, I want you to dot whipped cream around. Go on, do it. Now, come on, Sarah! Do it. Dot whipped cream. Look how her hand shakes. Sarah is so nervous on television. Look at her hand shaking. Perhaps I'll pierce Sarah like the Christmas bird. Pierce in many places. I'm going to draw a fork through it like this. All right. Excellent. Fabulous. Sarah, stop shaking. Help me dot these candies. We're going to dot them like this. Shall we do Wednesday, Sarah? And we're going to just dot these candies all about. We must decorate it also with bows. It's very Christmassy. It reminds me of when I was a child. Green ribbon. Put that on as well. Blow it. Come on. Very nice, Sarah. Excellent. Merry Christmas. Sarah, Merry Christmas. Can't you fix yourself? You look a mess. Please don't touch me. A very, very happy Christmas to you all. And me and Johnny and Sarah and everyone here at the BBC wish you a very Merry Christmas. Hello, who are you? Forgot you were upstairs. Yeah. Oh my God.
You were in such a daze.
I was lost in thought.
What are you reading?
I'm reading about Fanny Craddock. You remember Fanny Craddock?
I do, but who names their kid Fanny
Well, her
Craddock?
name is Frances Craddock,
Fan-
and
I-
she
I-
married Johnny Craddock, and come on now, that's her name.
Well, I know, but I'm
Well,
just
you know,
saying...
the problem is in England, the word for your hoo-ha is Fanny.
Oh, it's rough.
Yeah, so her name, well, my name's Randy, that's pretty bad.
Wait, for her hoo-ha is Fanny?
The English name for hoo-ha is Fanny.
Not but.
No, Fanny is your...
Got it.
Fanny is.
That's rough.
Anyways, I was thinking
That's
about Fanny.
terrible.
My question is, how did that appear on television and nobody said anything?
The first time you showed it to me, I thought it was an SNL skit.
You did not.
I did. That doesn't look real.
It really doesn't look real. And the sort of avant-garde set with no wall and... it's
And
an
you
amazing
used to
world.
watch it seriously?
Yeah, we used to watch the actual show.
I don't understand.
Well, we used to watch her weekly show.
Well, it's like an hour long or like a half
Yeah.
hour? That's incredible.
Yeah, it was amazing. No commercials either. Fanny Craddock. Well, anyways, I think I might do a tribute to Fanny this year.
You should.
Do a Fanny Craddock Christmas. What do you think? What do you think, Joni? Do you want to do a Fanny Craddock Christmas?
Yeah.
I think you do.
What would you make?
I don't know. We'll talk about it later. Let's go upstairs now and watch 90 Day Fiancé.
Yeah.
Want to go?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go, Sarah. I mean, Emily.
Coming this December, Randy and Sarah. Emily. Emily's cooking? She's gonna be there? Oh, that's fun. A new supersized Christmas spectacular featuring Fanny Craddock's 1975 classic Christmas dishes. Woo! I think that title's a little too long. Let's keep it simple. Coming December 2023, Dinner Party Tonight presents a new Christmas spectacular. There we go. That's perfect. Nailed it. Mic drop, as they say.
It's always Christmas